Hello, doctor.
Yeah, hi.
So you've asked me to get an X-ray for my accident, right?
Yes.
And sir, it has come out to be a fracture and my leg is paining.
Fracture, you say?
Yes.
Nothing to worry. All you need to do is apply the band-aid and the pain will go away.
Sir, band-aid for a fracture.
Who's the doctor? I'm the doctor, right?
So what if the pain comes back?
If the pain comes back, all you need to do is throw away the old band-aid and apply a new band-aid, and the pain, I guarantee, will go away.
Are you sure?
Yes. Something similar is actually happening in India's agriculture sector right now. There are multiple state level elections which are supposed to be held this year as well as next year. And one party after the other party are announcing loan waivers to the farmers once they come to power. Under this, the farmer who has taken the loan will not be repaying, rather the government announcing this will be repaying the loan. With this, the distress in the agriculture sector will go down. Farmers will be investing more money in agriculture sector and the farmer suicides are expected to come down. In fact, the government of India back in the year 2008 announced the largest loan waiver worth more than 65,000 crore rupees. And even after that, multiple state governments have announced agriculture loan waivers. Does it actually work out? World Bank report says no. The farmers will continue to face the same issues, internal factors as well as external factors, because of which either their production will be much lower or the income will be much lower, and the distress is going to continue even after the loan waiver is announced. So what does the agriculture require? It doesn't require a temporary relief. That is basically the band-aid. What it requires is a surgery, the structural reforms such as promotion of technology, promotion of mechanization, a better import as well as export policy, better marketing support for the farmers. So what are your thoughts regarding this? Do you think the loan waivers will work out, or structural reforms in the form of these kind of measures are better for the farmers' welfare? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section of the video. And for more such interesting content, subscribe to our YouTube channel now.